Hello everyone and welcome to Bahar Miniature. In this video, I'll show you how to make a dollhouse room box. This is part 1, where I'll be working on the flooring, applying the wallpaper and window, and finally assembling everything together. To begin with the flooring, I'm using 3mm thick MDF as the base. For this room, I've chosen a simple brick bond pattern. I'll start drawing horizontal lines every 1.5 centimeters, followed by vertical lines. These will act as guidelines for laying the flooring evenly. If you'd like to explore other flooring patterns, I have another video linked here where I show you how to create designs such as chevron, herringbone, and mosaic. For the floorboards, I'm using 1mm thick balsa wood. I cut it into 1.5 centimeter stripes. Then cut those into smaller pieces and glue them onto the MDF base using wood glue. Once the flooring is complete, I'll apply a light wash of wood stain to add color and character, then let it dry completely. I also have a full in-depth tutorial on painting balsa wood using either wood stain or acrylic paint. It covers everything from preparing the wood to painting and sealing it. I'll link that video here and in the description below. If you'd like to dive deeper into the process, I highly recommend checking it out. Next, let's move on to the walls. I measured and cut all the walls using 3mm MDF. I printed the wallpaper design on a paper and attached it to the MDF using a glue stick along with all-purpose glue. You can also use your favorite fabric or even acrylic paint to finish your walls, depending on the look you're going for. Make sure to press the paper down firmly and smooth it out well, so there are no air bubbles trapped underneath. Keep in mind that these walls will later be covered by external walls, which I'll show you how to attach in part 2. Because of that, any glue marks or imperfections on the back of these walls aren't important, as they'll be completely hidden. Next, I'm attaching the sliding window that I made earlier to the wall. After that, I attach all the walls to the floor using wood glue. Make sure each wall is positioned at a 90-degree angle to the others, so everything lines up properly. And that's it for the part 1. I really hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It really helps support my work and lets you know when the part 2 is up. In part 2, we'll be adding the exterior walls and trims, and we'll start placing some furniture. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.